Y'all, let's check out this Arrow staple gun here. Just a good old-fashioned manual staple gun from Arrow. You should recognize their name because whenever you go shopping for these kind of staples, they're going to probably be Arrow staples. Why wouldn't you get your staple gun from the same company making the staples? Kind of makes sense. Maybe it'll jam less because, you know, they know the exact magic that goes into these. Anyway, let's take a look at it. Okay, so this pack does come with, look at this, 2,000 stinking staples. So it'll work on an Arrow or a Stanley, but why would you buy a Stanley when you already get the Arrow? It makes sense. This one's a plastic body. It does lock in place. So that's interesting. So you can like not accidentally staple your hand. So if you push it in, it unlocks. If you pull it out, it locks. Takes a little practice, apparently. There we go. Press it in to unlock. Press it out or down, and then pull out to lock. So it's safe. That's good. All right, let's put some staples in here. So here's a row of staples. Put it up in there. This locks and unlocks the staple pusher inner. So just make sure that, there we go, pin comes up like that, and this thing's ready to rock. Whoa! All right, that works pretty good. You don't have to squeeze a lot either, you can just press on the handle. This works a lot like a staple gun, and enough pressure to go through that, and through the mat and into the wood. So there you go. Why would you get just your manual stapler from a company that doesn't make staples? It doesn't make any sense to me. So there we go. Arrow staple gun. Let's clear the chamber. Pull this handle back. Now it's locked. It's not going to staple somebody in the face.